In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your screen time on Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, just scroll down. Then go to digital well-being and parental controls. That's it. Here at the top, you can find your screen time option. And you can see today my screen time is 2 hours 42 minutes. And you can check yours from here. Also, if you want to check more details about your screen time, just tap here. And here you can find your dashboard. From here you can check your weekly screen time details. You can see Tuesday details, Monday, and you can select any date as you want. Also, if you want to check your app wise screen time details, just tap on view all option, and that's it. You can see my YouTube screen time is 26 minutes, WhatsApp is 18 minutes, and you can check any app screen time details from here. Now just go back. You can also check your category wise screen time from here. You have to just tap on show categories option and then tap on view all. Here you can find some categories like social, video, productivity, games, images, and that's it. And that is how you can check screen time in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.